Hello everybody, this is Michelle from the Houston Public Library. Thank you for joining me today at Craft Time. Today we're making pom-poms. You can make it into like a heart shape and use it as like a backpack decoration or keychain, or like a pom-pom, regular pom-pom. You can add it to your hoodie or zipper. It would be kind of cute. Or this one is a lovely unicorn that I made using two pom-poms. Actually, they're tied up together and then I decorate it. Okay, so we're gonna start. You can find these pom-pom makers online, and they usually comes in a pack of 3 or 4s, and they sure do make things a little bit easier. There's different sizes, but if you don't have that, we can just use cardboards, and you don't have to buy a new tool just to make pom-poms. So what you're gonna need is a piece of cardboard, some yarn, and a pair of scissors. Good scissors, because you're gonna do quite a little bit of cutting. With cardboards, depends on the size of the pom-pom you're trying to make. The wider they are, the bigger your pom-pom is going to be. The narrower is for smaller pom-poms. So start with your cardboard. You're going to cut a little slot in the middle. That's where you're going to tie your pom-pom together at the end. Okay, so we're going to start by holding your yarn with your thumb and then wrap it around the cardboard. Now, the type of yarn you use makes a difference of how your pom-pom is going to look like. You can experiment with different type of yarn. What I find is the thinner the yarn, the fluffier your pom-pom is going to be. And of course, the more times you wrap around, the fluffier your pom-pom is going to be as well. Be careful to not wind it up too tight, because sometimes we tend to go the tighter, the more we go, the tighter it gets. So be careful to not do that. So once you have it all wrapped up, put your yarn right through the middle and wrap it around and tie it up right in the middle, real tight. You don't want your pom-pom to come loose, so do as tight as you can, and you can always do more than one knot. Right. So once that's done, slide your scissors and cut it. There you go. And if you find a loop that you missed, just go ahead and cut that too. Now, You do have a little bit of trimming to do, so we're going to do that. So you want to try to trim them to about the same length, which is probably the trickiest part. Okay, there you go. There's our Pom Pom. As you can see, I did have to shave off quite a bit, but that's alright. So then, once you have this, you can shave it into a heart shape, or just leave it as it is and use it as decorations. Thank you for joining me today for craft time. We'll see you next time. Bye.